Hello, I'm Keshta Shekhar and my teammates are Alaikya, Chinmay and Harshita. And we are here to explain about the NLP-based automated cleansing for healthcare data. For this, we take the unclean data from the Kaggle, which contains the missing values, duplicate uppercases and non-uniform data, and these are to be converted to lowercase and uniform data in order to execute it. So I'll be showing you the unclean data which is downloaded from the Kaggle and which is to be processed. So this is the unclean data which is collected from the Kaggle and we'll be processing this through the Python code. So here the unclean data which is collected from Kaggle and which is uploaded and cleaned. That is cleaning all the missing values, duplicates and the conversion of uppercase to lowercase to keep the data clean for further processing is taken place. And the unclean data can vary. This process is taken place because the unclean data can vary the overall data, hence cleaning is done here. So here the data is read in process, that is will be loading the data set, then we'll be checking for any missing values. Once we find any missing values like categorical columns or the numerical columns which has missing values, we'll be handling all those missing values. If there are any encoded categorical variables, we'll be giving them the label encoder to convert the categorical variables to numerical variables. Once this conversion is done, we'll be storing the encoded for transform later. Hence, after the cleaning, we'll be verifying the cleaned data set. Once the verification process is done, we'll be saving the clean data set and it is printed and it's uploaded to the VS Code. So after the processing, this is the clean data set we'll be acquiring once the unclean data is clean. So this is the clean data set which will be processed further for executions.
This is about the index.html. In this HTML, we are using bootstrap classes to style and lay out the elements. So bootstrap is nothing but that provides predefined CS classes that you apply to your HTML elements, which handle styling and layout. We can style our elements by giving the background color and the font family like Arial, Algerian, and the font we needed like bold, italic, however we wish to be. So next one is quality matrix. So quality matrix are essential for the evaluation for the performance of the data cleaning and provides measures like how well the data is performed about its assigned task. So it classifies the problems like accuracy and the precision. So next one is data analysis graph. So data analysis refers to the outcome that is visualized by the pie chart, and here we used only the pie chart, and our outcome is of two types, which is positive and another one is negative. So next one is live data table. Here it gives the clean data fetched from our API, where it shows us a real-time view of the healthcare records and it updates accordingly as of how it has fetched. And the data source we have are which has come from the cleaned data, which is age, gender, fever, cough, fatigue, difficulty breathing, and the outcome. And the data will be loaded dynamically in live data table. So next one is JS libraries. In JS libraries we have used async, await and axios. So here axios returns the promises, whereas async functions implicitly returns the promises, and await is used only when the promises are either fulfilled. The execution of the data will be resumed only by using the await. So next one is populate table. Populated table is nothing but that selects the table and cleans an existing rows and then iterates through the cleaned data. Like it iterates one by one. And the next one is update chart. Update chart In update chart we update our pie chart and the directory target element to gray, and here we detect our pie chart. And the next one is the execution part, which will be continued.
The HTML and JavaScript code that creates disease symptom and patient profile prediction using Bootstrap and Chat.js. Here, Express.js and Node.js function is used to join backend and frontend. This is the env.port 3000 which is predefined, and API key is taken from IBM Cloud and used it here. Try and catch error is used to get the token, and if we get any error, it shows direct error section. Get prediction. In IBM Cloud, to prediction, there will be a column to predict. From there, the outcome column is taken to predict. So here in Watson Studio, public and propane key is used to access storage and dataset, also model which we have done. This predict is an extra section where outcomes is shown, and clean data is taken for working dashboard, and here comes the final part, outcome. Let's run the code and get data set. Let's go to index.html to run the data set. This is our data set. This is quality matrices, accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. This is outcome variable analysis. Means in this pie chart, it shows how many patients are healthy and how many are at risk. This is live healthcare records where the data set is shown. This is the dashboard. So thank you.